Hello, members and friends of the Stoa. I'm John Vervaeke. Some of you are familiar with my work, Awakening from the Meaning Crisis, Voices with Vervaeke, the Cognitive Science Show. I'm here to proudly and excitedly announce my new series coming out January the 9th, After Socrates. Like Awakening from the Meaning Crisis, there'll be a series of lectures building a continuous argument, but along with that, points to ponder and to discuss, and practices, a whole pedagogical program of practices to give you transformative participation in the unfolding of a Socratic way of life. I'm deeply happy that the Stoa is going to have a regular meeting Sundays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, the Stoa After Socrates, in which there'll be live dialogos and practice in the practices that I introduce in each episode of After Socrates. After Socrates won't be just me doing a monologue. There'll also be entire episodes dedicated to an exemplification of the practices with other people, dialogue with other people about the Socratic way of life and how and why it is relevant and needed for us today. So please check out my new series on January the 9th, 2023 on my YouTube channel. And please attend the Stoa After Socrates every Sunday at 12 p.m. Thank you very much for your time and attention.